Have you ever had an image that looks blurry, low quality, or lacks detail? With AI image enhancement, you can turn low-quality images into sharper, clearer visuals in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use NiceGen AI's Image Enhance tool and, more importantly, how to choose the right enhancement mode for different types of images. Let's get started. First, upload your image to NiceGen AI Image Enhance. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see 5 enhancement modes: Text Refine, High Fidelity, CGI, Low Resolution, and Standard. Each mode is designed for a different type of image, so choosing the right one can make a big difference in the final result. First, let's take a look at Text Refine. This mode is best for images with lots of text, logos, screenshots, or graphic elements. For example, you can use it for product packaging, posters, website designs, and UI screenshots. When upscaling these images, Text Refine focuses on keeping text sharp, edges clean, and shapes accurate. This helps your graphics stay clear and professional, even at a larger size. Next is High Fidelity. This mode is designed for images that are already high quality and well captured. Rather than making major changes, it focuses on preserving the original details while improving clarity and overall image quality. It works especially well for professional photography, product images, and high-resolution portraits. The goal is to make the image larger and clearer while keeping natural textures and realistic details intact. The third mode is CGI. This mode is designed for non-photographic content, such as 3D renders, digital artwork, illustrations, and stylized graphics. Unlike regular photos, these images often feature clean edges, flat colors, and precisely designed shapes. CGI mode enhances these elements while preserving the original artistic style, without introducing unnecessary photo-like textures. Next, we have low resolution. This mode is designed for images with very limited detail, heavy compression, or extremely small dimensions. For example, you can use it for old photos, small social media images, or low-quality downloads. It uses AI reconstruction to recover useful details from these challenging images while maintaining the original look and characteristics as much as possible. Finally, we have Standard. This is the general-purpose enhancement mode and works well for most everyday images. It provides clean and reliable upscaling across a wide range of photos and graphics while preserving the original structure and details. So, if you're not sure which mode to choose, Standard is a great place to start. And that's how you can choose the right enhancement mode for different types of images. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also check out the tools mentioned in this video through the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.